I go to school. I go to school. I enter my classroom. I enter my classroom. I open my book. I open my book. I sit on my bench. I sit on my bench. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I read a book. I read a book. I sharpen my pencil. I sharpened my pencil. I play in the playground. I played in the playground. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I turn the page. I turn the page. I listen to the lesson. I listen to the lesson.
I cut the paper. I cut the paper.
I erase my mistake. I erase my mistake. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I ask a question. I ask the question. I take out my book. I take out my book. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. I greet my teacher. I greet my teacher. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I wash my hands before lunch. I underline the word. I underline the word. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. I stand up quickly. I stand it up quickly. I sit near the window. I sit near the window.
I color the picture. I color the picture.
I copy the notes. I copy the notes. I use a pencil. I used a pencil.
I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I go home. I go home.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.